Alright, so we're going rollerblading again. This time Dan's coming with, and we're going into Austin, Texas. So we're just getting ready here. We're gonna head into the city. It's probably like 50 degrees or something, so a little cold today again. Thought it was gonna be warmer. Alright, so we're heading out. We gotta go across the river and good distance. There's a little like trail that we're gonna try to follow. I don't know if you can ride on it, but looks like it's paved. So we're heading out that way to Austin, Texas. Oh, there's the path we were gonna take. But turns out that path is dirt. There's like a little bit of concrete, but for the most part it's dirt. So we're not gonna be able to do that one. So we're just gonna take the roads here and see where we can get. City is like 2.5 miles from here. So we should be in there pretty soon. We're at the river outside of Austin. We're on this huge bridge crossing over, so we're pretty much there now. Just got a little bit longer to go, and then we'll just start exploring, riding around wherever we feel like we want to go. But there's a lot of unpaved paths here. A lot of the sidewalks aren't real like concrete, so we can't ride on them too well. So trying to find the places that are real concrete to ride on. So we're on Saldra Maria Drive or something like that. It's on off the main bridge coming in to this side of the city, and we just hit a dead end. So we're gonna have to turn around. We're trying to figure out how to get like to the main city. But there's definitely a bunch of buildings around already. There's some really tall ones there. Mainly the city is out that way, so we gotta get that way somewhere. But seems we can't go this way. The main part of the city here. Some huge towers. So we found a parking garage that we're gonna try to ride into. There was a couple guys blocking the way, so we're gonna come back to it. See if they're gone when we get there. And if they are, we're gonna hit this really steep bank and see what we can do. So I'm gonna go explore down by the river a little bit and come back in a couple minutes and see if they're still there talking, because they were just talking about something I don't know what for. There goes the place that we're watching that thing, so I guess we'll go jump down that huge hill in the parking garage, see what goes on. So we made it. We actually were able to go to the right side. We couldn't see that from where we were, so that was a little easier. Now I guess we'll explore in here, see what's down here. Alright, so it goes down a little more. We're just found the way down. We're gonna head down there. See what's down there. There's a nice thing here. Alright, let's go see what's down here. Fun hills to hit. You can book it on the hills. Looks like we can go even farther. Let's go check it out, I guess. Looks like we can go even farther. Let's go check it out, I guess. Yep, goes down another level. Probably like 50 feet under. Oh yeah. We can book it down here. This goes really far. A lot more than I thought it would. Now we gotta go all the way back out. It's a far climb back up. Well, we made it back just in time because it's starting to rain. It's very loud here. Lots of cars going by. So, see the van in sight. And these sidewalks are pretty terrible. There's a lot of, way too many dirt roads out here. Dirt paths. So we gotta like jump in between them. I was able to do a little bit of off-roading on this one, but it got really bad and I was like, starting to trip and fall, so. Oh, we got back. I dropped off my bag, but I'm gonna go just run around here, see what's around the park since we're here. Hopefully, it's supposed to get warmer tomorrow. It's supposed to be like 75 tomorrow, but if it doesn't, we might not go check out those watering hole areas yet. Might go see what else there is and try to keep that until it gets warm. So, it's supposed to get warm within the next coming days. Hopefully tomorrow, so we'll see. But yep, for now I'm gonna just run around here, see what it's like. I think there's a road that goes around the entire circle, so see what happens. This is the end of the park. This is the very corner. It's like a walking trail and this little like train thing that goes around just for carrying people. So I'm gonna go check out the view here. There's a nice cave trail there, so maybe I'll try to get to that. I don't know. Probably enters up that way somewhere. So I guess we'll see what's up there. So apparently it's a dog park because there's like 1,000 dogs out there. Everyone's bringing their dogs out and they're just running like crazy. So there's the park there. Tons of people out there now. A huge group showed up and started playing like, looks like soccer or something. So, nice stand going by. So I gotta hit this hill here and get back to the van. It's probably gonna be really fast. Well, we're back now, so this is going to be our second video, and hopefully we'll keep making more. They're going pretty good. Definitely trying to improve some stuff on them, and hopefully it'll get warmer again soon. So, see you guys in the next video, then hopefully